Dr. John Wood here with Louisville Chiropractic Center, and this week's topic of the week is on lawn care and chiropractic. And this one here is for you, Mary. So the other day I'm down in the adjustment room and I am adjusting a patient, and I get talking about, she says, what have you been doing, with all your extra time at night? I said, I've actually been doing a ton of lawn care. I've been working out in my yard. My yard's seriously behind on needing to be taken care of. I need to thatch the yard. I need to fertilize the yard. I need to make sure I water the yard. We got to pull weeds. There's just a ton of work that needs to be done on my yard. And so as I'm chatting with the patient and telling him this story, the reason why I've gotten so far behind on my lawn care is that I just haven't done it for probably 15 years. The family things took over. We did a lot of baseball. We like to camp and we like to fish. And so I just don't spend a lot of time in my yard. Therefore, my yard was a mess and it needed a ton of work, and still does need a ton of work. I tie that into chiropractic care because I was sitting there working with her. I realized that that's what happens with most of the patients that we see. They come in and they really haven't done any spinal hygiene, spinal maintenance for maybe their entire life. And so they come in and they've got a whole slew of problems, and it takes consistent time, consistent energy, and consistent work to get a spine back to the point where then it can be maintained. And when you get to the maintenance level, that takes less time to do. Just like when I get my yard all finally fixed up and de-weeded and get the grass where I want it to be, it'll take just 10% of the time to kind of keep it maintained and keep it at that nice level. So the moral of the story is that if you haven't been taking care of your spine, you need to get in, get it taken care of, put in that extra energy in the beginning, and then once you do that, it's really important to maintain your spine then for the rest of your life. Hope you enjoyed this.